What if the key to saving our planet wasn't in our hands, but in the circuits of a machine? It sounds like science fiction, but today, we're diving into the reality of how artificial intelligence is becoming our planet's unexpected hero. We've pushed Earth to its limits, but what if the very technology we created could help us undo the damage? Let's start with a problem that feels bigger than all of us: climate change. The data is overwhelming, the patterns complex. It's like trying to solve a puzzle with a billion pieces. But for an AI, this is just another dataset. Scientists are now using advanced AI models to sift through decades of climate data, from satellite imagery to ocean temperatures. These digital detectives are spotting trends and making predictions with an accuracy we could only dream of just a few years ago. Imagine knowing exactly when and where a hurricane will make landfall days in advance, not just hours. Or predicting the path of a wildfire with enough precision to evacuate towns and deploy firefighters more effectively. This isn't a futuristic fantasy. AI-powered disaster prediction systems are already in use, giving communities a crucial head start to prepare and save lives. They analyze atmospheric pressure, wind speeds, and ground moisture levels, running countless simulations to forecast nature's next move. It's like having a crystal ball, but one backed by powerful, predictive mathematics. But prediction is only half the battle. What about actively healing the planet? Let's talk about our forests, the lungs of our world. Deforestation has left massive scars on our globe. Replanting millions of trees by hand is a monumental task. This is where AI-guided drones enter the picture. These aren't your average hobby drones. They are equipped with advanced mapping technology to survey vast, deforested areas. The AI analyzes the terrain, soil quality, and existing biodiversity to create a perfect planting strategy. Then the drones fly over these designated zones, firing seed pods into the ground with incredible speed and precision. A single operator can manage a fleet of these drones, planting thousands of trees in a single-day rate that is simply impossible for human teams. We're witnessing the birth of automated reforestation, helping our forests grow back faster and stronger than ever before. Beyond forests, our oceans are also getting an AI assist. AI systems are helping to monitor coral reefs, identifying signs of bleaching and disease early on so that conservationists can intervene. They're also tracking illegal fishing activities by analyzing satellite data and vessel movements, helping to protect vulnerable marine populations from overfishing. It's a silent guardian, watching over the vast blue expanse of our planet. And what about the source of the problem? Our carbon footprint. AI is revolutionizing our energy systems. In our cities, AI optimizes traffic flow to reduce idling cars and cut down on emissions. In our power grids, it predicts energy demand with incredible accuracy, allowing for a more seamless integration of renewable energy sources like wind and solar. When the sun is shining or the wind is blowing, the AI knows exactly how to store and distribute that clean energy efficiently, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels. It's making our entire infrastructure smarter, greener, and more sustainable from the inside out. From predicting superstorms to replanting entire ecosystems, AI is not just a tool. It's becoming a crucial partner in our fight for a sustainable future. It's a powerful reminder that sometimes the solutions to our biggest problems come from the most unexpected places. The technology that many feared would one day replace us might actually be the key to saving us from ourselves. It's a collaboration between human ingenuity and artificial intelligence writing a new, more hopeful chapter for planet Earth. The machines are stepping up, not to take over, but to help clean up the mess we made. And in doing so, they are helping us rewrite our planet's destiny. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey into the future of conservation. If you found this as fascinating as I do, please hit that like button and subscribe for more stories about the incredible ways technology is changing our world. Let me know in the comments what you think about AI's role in protecting our planet. Until next time, stay curious.